feet inside the ride at all times. Again, please keep all hands, arms, legs, and feet inside the ride at all times.
Did Eli get to do it?
Yeah.
Alright, if you guys are ready to ride, let me make some noise. Alright, so because you guys are all clear and ready for dispatch.
I just want to come around and check to see.
Carowinds currently goes 2 of the 10 times.
Look at that. See?
Two, my guys, with the next train, please take the time to secure all loose and valuable items. This camera is not responsible for any item lost or damage while riding. All loose and valuable items must be placed inside the open bins. And shoes must be worn as attractions. Yeah, shoes must be worn as attractions. Yeah, we got riders. Did you guys enjoy that ride? Awesome, maybe 5 people enjoyed it. Once the ride comes to a full complete stop, it is in an upright seated position. You're going to hear a click, and at that time, you're going to push your vest in together and press the red button at the same time. Then exit to the right and down the stairs. Thank you for riding Nighthawk, and enjoy the rest of your day here at Carowinds.
once your train comes to an upright sitting position, you will hear a click. Once you hear that click, press your fist together, push on the red button, and you can exit to your right. Thank you for riding Nighthawk. You have a wonderful day here in Carowinds.